Yes, it happened again. Iran attacked Israel. On 13th of April, Iran launched more than 300 projectiles, including 170 drones and over 120 ballistic missiles directly to Israel.
If we will talk about history, the roots of conflict can be traced back to the Islamic Revolution in 1979 when Iran rejected Israel's existence and vowed to undermine it. Iran has supported an Israeli militant groups like Hezbollah and Hamas and pursued a nuclear program which Israel sees as a threat.
जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि इन दोनों देशों के बीच का विवाद काफ़ी ऐतिहासिक है, पर इस बार के हमले के पीछे का कारण यह है कि कुछ ही हफ्तों पहले इजराइल ने ईरान के कॉन्सुलेट डमास्कस सीरिया में हमला किया था। उस हमले में कुछ ईरानियन जनरल मारे गए थे और उसी समय से ईरान ने इस हमले के बदले की मंशा बना ली थी।
So, this attack is a clear-cut retaliation for an Israeli attack on its consulate that occurred in Damascus, Syria. But what if the war starts between both the countries? Will it hamper the global economy? Obviously, yes. In the era of globalization, everything is connected. That's why we are concerned about the matter.
If it happens, the first fallout will be shortage of oil, as most of the countries rely on countries like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq for oil imports, and shortage of oil will make inflation worse and economies weaker. Also, India has economic ties with Middle East countries, and this conflict threatens India's economic interests, potentially leading to disruption in trade routes and increased oil prices.
Second fallout is the global stock market. A conflict could trigger sell off, with investors pooling their money and picking safer options. In the past week, investors sold over 15 billion worth of American stocks. The Indian stock market also faced a declining trend. Last but not the least, India recognizes the importance of stability in the Middle East for global South governance and stability. Instability in the region affects not only regional dynamics but also broader implication of national security and cooperation. Thank you for watching.
Please share your opinions in the comment section below.